welcome to another video by Miss Erin, and my friend Miss Paige will be with us soon to play as well.
Hi, Miss Erin. I'm ready to play.
Earlier this week, my friend Miss Katie made a video showing us how to make these beautiful flowers. Now, if you haven't seen her video yet, that's okay. I'll just show you my flower anyways, but maybe you can find her video after. So this is my flower.
I love flowers.
Why do you like flowers, Miss Paige?
Because they smell good.
Hey, I just heard you do something really awesome. You made a great snake sound at the beginning of the word smell. Sometimes that sound is a little bit tricky. So it helps if we break the word into two parts. Let's pretend my arm is our snake. So all the way down the snake, we need to make our sound. The rest of the word is my hand. So in the word smell, my hand would be mel. Can we try just that part together? Mel, mel, mel. Nice job. Now we're going to add our snake sound. Ready? Smell, 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 smell. Oh, look at that. We put our word together and have a nice clear snake sound.
I spy a snail on the stem.
Whoa, Miss Paige, that was so many great snake sounds. Let's slow that down and try some of them together. So first I heard you say that you could spy the snail. Spy. Pie. 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 Can you try that at home? Pie. 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 Now let's add our snake sound. Spy. She could spy it. She could see it. I spy it too. It's a snail. Let's try that word. Nail, nail, nail. Snail, snail. Good job. She could spy the snail on the stem. This part of the flower, the green part, is the stem. Let's try that word. Tem, tem, tem. Stem, stem, stem. Good job. The flower has a stem. You are amazing, Miss Paige.
I see a spider too.
You see a spider? I don't like spiders very much. Let's try it. Piter, piter, piter. Spider. Ah! Phew. Spider is gone. Thanks for playing at home with Miss Paige and I. We really missed you, so it was really fun to get to play together again.
Thanks for stopping by.
Another great S sound. She is amazing. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Are you still here? Go on.